This demo video shows you how to enable or disable the WDR function for two cameras. At the moment, WDR is disabled. So if we want to enable the function for two cameras at the same time, we can use the CGI command window again. So let's go back to Shifter and select the two cameras. Then input the CGI command of WDR enable. Now you'll see the image has been changed. Now if you want to disable the WDR, we can do the same again. Go back to Shifter and bring up the CGI command window. This time we disable the WDR probe. And then send the command. Go back to camera, you'll notice the WDR function has been disabled. Thank you for your listening.